This week's Music Monday, we're back with YM. Now, this is a snippet from our full podcast episode on Able Asia. I got to sit down with YM and talk to him about his latest album, Backshots. He told me it was a conscious shift from motivational rapper to showing more of his goofball side. Now, obviously, the serious tone is still there, but he wanted to diversify his approach and show other parts of who he is.
Throughout my career kasi, very sentimental akong tao. So, yun lang yung lumalabas sa music ko. So, nalilabel na ako bilang isang motivational quotes rapper. Idol, pengen naman advice sa mga problema ko. So, puro ganun yung laman ng DMs ko. Ayoko naman na maging yun lang ang tingin sa akin. Hindi naman ako nandidiri sa tingin sa akin na ganun. Kasi, syempre, gumagawa lang naman ako ng music na gusto ko rin marinig. Kinailangan ko rin naman yung music na yun. So, at this point naman in my career, parang kailangan ko nang ilabas yung other sides ko.
On the music side, the album is really dense. You can see that he pulled from many different influences and sounds. And with Kashira and his other producing partners, the album really came alive.
So, laking tulong din talaga ng Kashira Music Production at ng buong team nila na lagi akong tinetest pagalingin yung sarili ko. Sinasabi ko lang ayaw ko, pero sila talaga nagpapasok ng... Sinasabi ko lang yung mga pegs and the energy I want for the song.
Right.
And then they pull out references. Do you want it to sound like this? Do you want it to feel like this? Gusto mo ba may ganitong melody? Ayoko niyan. Gusto ko nito, gusto ko niyan. Tuturo lang ako. Tapos sila yung may technical skills and musical skills na ilalatag na lang sa project. Ako lang taga yes or no, tsaka ano yung gusto ko.
I'm going to be sharing more about the album and the conversation over the next few weeks. But if you want to hear the full story now, you can head on over to Able Asia's YouTube channel and check out the full episode. It's a really good one, if I may say so myself.